Guess what? I'm going to sing a song I made up just about you. Ooh, YouTube, you just gave me a free account. This is my second video. You want to rock out, get it if you don't even know. If you don't know, please rock out. Please rock out. Please rock out. It's just gonna be fabulous, even if you know it's true. It's going to be fabulous, even if I'm on YouTube. It's going to be fabulous. This is going to be fabulous. This is going to be, yeah. Internet, everything, even I know, even a Dell computer, I know. Even if I'm at my dad's or someone else, and even don't care, even if you know a lot. Baby, it's true. I got a YouTube account. You maybe want to shout out. Yeah, maybe you want to shout out. Maybe you want to shout out, even if you know it's a computer, even if you know it's just a YouTube account, even if you know it's true. I just like my YouTube account. I just like my YouTube account. Please don't know it. Please don't know it. Please don't know it. Please don't know, even if you know what you're going to say. If E to the M to the E, I even know what you're going to say. A, even if you don't know the same an A. No, if you don't even know. Hey, even if say hey, how do you even know what you're going to say? Oh, and I-H-E, even if you know what you're going to say. Oh, even if you know what I'm going to say. A, even if you know what I'm going to say. Oh, even if you want to know what I'm going to say. Yeah. It's true. My first YouTube account. It's true. My first YouTube account. Even if you like it, get it ready, yeah. 3, 2, 1, even though I got, even though I was even though I was got it, even though I get it, my first YouTube account, my first YouTube account, my first YouTube account, my first YouTube account, my first YouTube account.